Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Muhammad Mudassir. Today I am here with you on the topic of Ckacademy, which is very well known and very famous in the Canada. Most of the people know about this, but few of you do not know about what is Ckacademy. The basic purpose of Ckacademy is to prepare the students and for their future, for their to provide them best opportunities, to provide them best facilities on international level and national level. The basic purpose of Ckacademy is to prepare their students for university level from first class to 12th class, first grade to 12th grade, but they also not prepare them but also motivate them, also prepare them for interview, for entry test in the best level. For this purpose, I will share about their website and their opportunities, what kind of facilities and what kind of opportunities they are giving. I will discuss about that later. First of all, I will share you that there is no need of any kind of IELTS if you are going to apply at Ckacademy, where number of scholarship is offering by Ckacademy to the students that are applying at international level. If you are living in Bangladesh, Dhaka, New York, etc. in each countries, if you want to apply in Ckacademy in Canada, you can go there. They are offering scholarships to the international students in the best level, and they will guide you about the university's life, and they will motivate you for their preparation, each and everything. Today, for this, I will open their website. You have to go Ckacademy. I will search that ckacademy.ca. Here is their website. You have to open this. As I open this, you will look that there is a number of the opportunities, there number of the options are available. First of all, I will share their mission and vision with you, and their class grades is from first class to 12th class. Registration is open for 2021. You can see that there are the number of the courses they are offering to their students from the international level. You can learn their English, math, computer, health and physical education, business study, calculus, advanced function, French, and number of the more courses you can learn in Ckacademy, which are very internationally, and you will prepare them in the best level. Here is their contact number. You can contact on this number, and you can ask any kind of information from there. Here is about information. You can see that admission at glance, their team, each and everything. You can view that. Here is a school life. You can see that here a school life. They are giving you transport opportunity, tuition fee. Where we have most of the students are worried about the tuition fee. I will discuss about the tuition fee first of all, because there is two things need. First of all, tuition fee, and there is merit. But there is merit is very good also, and fee is also good. You can see that it is the fee. If you are the school facilities, you can see that there is a school facility special bright classroom are there, library with wide screen TV, computer lab, free Wi-Fi, gymnasium, table tennis table, and school etc. You can see that there is a team tuition fee also. There is a number of the opportunities. If you are class from first to 8, the US Canadian, you have to pay the $300. Second students, you also have the $300, and the third one is need to only pay $150 of US Canada. Next, you have to see that there is a number of the opportunity. If you are a student of the Ckacademy, you need to appear in next level after the graduation, after your FSS class. You have to 12th class. You have to move to university. Ckacademy also prepare you for the university level to get higher rank, get higher study in the university. You can see that here is a $400, only $400 US Canada money. You can see that there is an international students exchange program. Their course is 9, 10, 11, 12 etc. There are the number of the courses. You can see that over school. You can see that here next to the part, here is a courses 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. There are the number of the grades you can prepare. You can apply there. I will discuss the apply method, how you can apply international student and national student. First of all, 9th class opportunities are also available. They prepare the students for this international level for their universities. If you are going to apply in Canada and other countries, you need to prepare number of the courses. You need to attempt number of the entry tests. Ckacademy also prepare you for that. Like as you can see that there is a number of the opportunity available. There is a gallery section, event section, graduation and survey and contact etc. First of all, I have to understand why I choose Ckacademy. I showed you that there is no need any kind of IELTS if you are going to apply in Ckacademy from international level. If you are from Canada, Dhaka, each and everything, you do not need to appear in any kind of proficiency test, any kind of IELTS test, any kind of English test. So first thing is that. The other thing is there is a number of the scholarships they are offering to the international students. They want to get admission in Ckacademy. You will apply and Ckacademy will give you number of the scholarships on a good base. Then I will share you school life or type of the courses. You can see that parent participation. I will see parent participation. As we can see that this is a testimonial students overview about their students, about their students overview and about their academy. Here survey session, graduation level, you can see that international students also opportunity is available there. You can see that there is a properly information, you can take it and learn it from number of the information here. As we move next, there is a survey session. If you are going to apply, if you want to get admission, how you can apply. I will click on home section. As there is the home section, there is an opportunity available at the bottom. Awards, online grades, departments there, number of the courses, tuition fee, admission, registration. If you want to apply there, you need to get admission. You have to apply online. Here is the admission section. You have to click on this. As you have click on this, there is a form available at the bottom. Then you have to click on the registration form. As it opens, you need to fill the blocks as your name, your gender, if you are male or female, your date of birth, your address, phone number, your health card number, medical condition, etc. There is the information you have to give them. Student status, you can see that candidate city, permanent city, landed immigrants, refugee, embassy, other, each and everything you have to clear them. Okay, there is a parent information also available. You have to put it that is accurate information, and email address, occupation, each and everything you have to paste on it. And then to the next part, if you are international student, here you have to choose your pick in a good way. After that, after completing this form, you have to submit it. Okay, and then you have to if you are international student, you want to apply at international student, like you are from North America, North South Korea, each and everything from other country. If you are international student and are going to apply in Ckacademy, you have to click on international student option. As you have to you will click on the international student, there is a form also present for the international students. You have to, first of all, you have to read the instructions that are very important for you. And the international students are they are offering number of the students, number of scholarship for the international students. If you are going to apply there is no need of any kind of proficiency test. I am telling you again and again, there is no need of a proficiency test, IELTS test, because most of the students are very worried about their IELTS test or proficiency test. But Ckacademy is not willing to take any kind of these kind of opportunities and these kind of tests. Here are the goals: high schools, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th high school opportunity, and they prepare the students of Ckacademy for the university level to get admission at a high rank and get admission in higher university level. They prepare you, motivate you, each and everything. Here is the undertaking section. As we can see, that is in proper way. Here is the enrollment section. You have to enrollment section. If you are internationally applying, you need to put this. You have to put all kind of information here. Your first name, like my name is Muhammad Mudassir, and my second name is Mudassir. I have to put my name here. Then the duration, I will tell you about the 10 to 12 calendar days. The types of the program: short term, minimum 10 student groups. Then you have to choose the choose date, choose month, mailing address, date of birth, passport number. You need to put here your passport number, expiry of the passport, your email address, your phone number, and your submit. After that, the Ckacademy team will contact you and will give you the information if you are eligible for that or not eligible for that. If I'm lacking any kind of information, you can contact me and you can comment me on my YouTube channel. I will guide you about more this. Once again, I will say you that there is a number of the scholarships for the international students, and also there are no need of any kind of IELTS tests. That is too much very difficult for the students to appear in IELTS test or any proficiency test. So Ckacademy is offering a number of the opportunities and number of the opportunity facilities for their students to prepare their future level in the best level. Jazakallah, shukriya, and Allah Hafiz.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.